Can you play it again?
I have no idea what that.
Play it again, please.
Oh, tying their skates?
Like dropping a puck?
Taping a stick.
Stopping?
Like putting on your shin pad or something, taking it off?
Stopping on the ice.
Hitting the crossbar?
Puck in the crossbar.
That's like a crossbar.
That's taking off your gear.
Sock tape?
Like sock tape.
The Zamboni?
Zamboni?
The Zamboni.
Opening and closing the gate.
That's the door opening. The bench.
The gate opening?
It's drinking quench.
Drink and quench.
Drink and quench. Coach Chippy, drink and quench. Oh.